ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 10th ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 11th ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ 11th ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ ಬಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಡ್ ಬಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಲೇ ರೋಮಾ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಕ್. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened when a traffic policeman arrived. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop. There's a hospital there, but Baleshwar disagreed. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. So in last video I said a old truck driver came. He was middle-aged and he was speaking Gujarati. He came. So Baleshwar asked him. So the truck driver helped Baleshwar. He said to put the girl back of the truck. While going, a police officer came and suggested the truck driver to take that girl to Airoli. But Baleshwar did not accept because Airoli was 10 kilometers away from that place. So he did not accept it to go to Airoli. There's a closer place. So let's see 12th para. There's a closer place I know of, said Baleshwar. 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital where nurses helped take the young woman in. But as the facilities lacked personnel and equipment, the on-duty physician was not able to do more than give basic first aid. He advised that she be moved to nearby hospital. So Baleshwar was knowing a hospital near that place. So after 10 minutes they reached that hospital. That nurses took them to the inside the hospital, but the hospital did not have any good facilities and equipments. So the physician was not able to give more treatment for the girl as she was very much injured. They gave only basic first aid treatment. So the doctor advised him to take to the nearby hospital which has more equipments and they could give her a good treatment. Let's go to 3rd para. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice but to move her back into the truck. When the vehicle lurched forward, Roma stirred her eyes fluttered open. What's your name? Asked Baleshwar, who was with her in the back of the truck. Roma, she managed to grind out. Whom can I call? He asked quickly, fearing that she would black out once again. My brother Dinesh, she said slowly, giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. As the doctor said to take Roma to some big hospital, Baleshwar took back her towards truck. When truck moved slowly forward, Roma opened her eyes. So fastly Baleshwar asked, what is your name? She said her name. So he asked, whom should I call quickly because she may become unconscious again. So she said her brother Dinesh's name and gave her cell phone number. Baleshwar memorized it and Baleshwar kept it in memory, and Roma Talreja gone to unconscious another again. So this was about 13 para. So here some meanings are there. Personnel, staff, lurched, moved unsteadily, fluttered, opened slightly. So let's go to 14 para. Can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked and the driver passed him phone. Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day at his marketing job at a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar when his phone rang from a number he did not recognize. Dinesh Bhai, a young voice asked, your sister Roma has fallen off a train and we are taking her to Divine Hospital in Gansoli. I am on my way, said Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle. So as Roma Talreja gave his brother Dinesh number, so Baleshwar asked the phone of driver. He took and he gave phone and he called to Dinesh. He was wrapping up his work. He was ending and as he was working in marketing job at a retailer outlet in he was working in Ulhasnagar. When his phone ringed with an unknown number, he did not recognize this. So Baleshwar called his Dinesh Bhai. Your sister Roma Talreja has fallen off a train. He says to Dinesh, Baleshwar says to Dinesh. So he says we are taking her to Divine Hospital in Gansoli. I am on my way. Dinesh says it to Baleshwar. He is going towards his motorcycle in this para. So this is about 14 para. So let's see 15 para. Roma arrived at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center minutes later. Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. So after calling Baleshwar calling Dinesh and saying about this, that Roma has got she was accident, Roma's accident fallen from the train. They reached to Divine Hospital, Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center after a few minutes later. Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, he did not ask anything. By seeing Roma's injuries, he admitted her immediately to ICU without not asking anything and not doing any paperwork. Without any paperwork, he admitted to the ICU. So this is about 15 para. To grind out, to say something with some effort, blackout, to become unconscious, wrap up, close the day's business, outlet, a shop. So let's go to 16th para. He asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. That was when they noticed that the driver, having done all he could, has slipped away with his truck. Oh, I could not thank him, Baleshwar thought. So the doctor says, you stay here until the Roma's family members will come. At that time, he notices that the truck driver has gone away. He thought that I would have thanked him, but he was already gone away. So this is about this 16 para. So here I could thank him. This may become the who said to whom they may ask for you in your final exams. So this is about 16 para. Let's go to 17 para. Roma was still unconscious, but her X-rays showed that although the injuries looked severe, all she needed were deep wound sutures. There would be no lasting damage. But Dr. Agarwal believes she could have bled to death and nobody helped her. When she finally opened her eyes that night, her brother and fiancé were by her side. She could barely speak, just nodded and fell asleep again. So Roma was still unconscious as the doctor started the treatment. X-ray showed all the injuries looked very much severe. The injuries were very much severe, but there was a deep wound structure also. There would be no lasting damages. There would be no serious damages. But Dr. Agarwal believed she would may have died if Baleshwar did not came and helped her. When she finally opened her eyes, she saw her brother Dinesh and her fiancé, and lost in some paras I said in fiancé beside her. She could barely speak and just a notes and fell asleep again. Means she could talk. She could talk very much difficult, feeling difficult to talk, and nodded his head. And again she felt asleep again. So this is about 7th para. When Baleshwar came to meet her the next morning, Roma was still partly sedated on his way. Baleshwar had even revisited the spot where Roma had fallen, looking for her belongings because Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. No far from that spot, a railway employee assured Baleshwar that some of Roma's belongings had been found. So when Baleshwar came to meet Roma in morning, his brother Dinesh has called Baleshwar and said that Roma's belongings, cell phones and handbags are fallen at the accident place. So bring it as it was as the railway tracks was on the way where they want to come to the hospital. So he gone and meet the railway employee. He said that Roma's belongings were fallen here. So he returned the belongings of Roma. So in Nepal, how are you feeling? Baleshwar asked Roma. I am okay, Roma whispered. So after taking that belongings, Baleshwar comes to the hospital. He asks Roma, how are you feeling? So Roma says, I am okay. So whispered. So let's see 20. So let's see 20th para. In a few days, Roma made a full recovery. I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar had not been there. She says, amazed to learn of the manner in which she had been rescued. So after a few days, Roma Talraja recovered. So she says that I can't imagine what would have been happened if Baleshwar would not there. She amazed to learn of the manner in which she had been rescued. I think it is astonishing that a stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me. I can never repay Baleshwar. So I think it is an astonishing means I am shocked that a stranger would have jumped off a train and risk his life for me. She says I can't repay what Baleshwar has done for me. I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that people here are afraid, says Baleshwar, who is still looking for a job. They fear getting trapped in the courts or with police. So Baleshwar says, I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that people are afraid. But he was still looking for the job. But people were afraid of getting trapped in the courts and with police. So why did he do it? She needed help. Baleshwar puts it simply. That day it was Roma. Tomorrow it could be you or me by the tracks, bleeding and alone. So why did he do it? So Roma asked, why did you do it? She needed help. Baleshwar says in a simple manner. That day it was Roma Talreja beside the tracks. Tomorrow you and me may be there in the tracks bleeding alone. So hang around, wait, suture a stitch that is used to sew a wound together, barely speak, not able to speak, partly sedated, half awake due to drugs. So this was the explaining of the chapter Dejagal by the tracks. So if you want the answer for question reply yes, I will leave the answer in my next upcoming videos.